Good morning, dear children. Please take out your GK book and open page number 44. Lesson number 12, Important Personalities of Medieval India. The medieval period is an important period in the history of India. It brought many developments in the forms of art, language, culture, and religion in the country. This period lasted from the 18th to 8th to 18th centuries. Let us learn about some of the famous personality of that era. So here some important personalities name are there. So let's go and identify. These are the names. So here the first picture. This is the picture of Ramanuj. So Ramanuj was the one to spread the Bhakti movement and established Vaishnavism. According to him, one can get a pure soul by karma, jnana and bhakti. He became one of the famous saints of medieval India. And the second picture is Alauddin Khilji. The Delhi Sultanate was ruled by the Jalaluddin Khilji, but he was later murdered by Alauddin Khilji, who then took over his position and ruled over Delhi. Okay. Then the third picture is the Tughlaqs. The history of medieval India is very rich. There were many rulers who ruled the country during this time period. One of them were the Tughlaqs, who came into power somewhere after the Khilji's. Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq were the two famous Tughlaq rulers. And the next one is, the picture is the Saidis and Lodi Sultans. The Saidis and Lodi Sultans ruled between 1414 AD and 1526 AD. The Saidis ruled Delhi for a short duration, after which the capital was shifted from Delhi to Agra by Lodis. And then next is the Mughal Empire. The Sultanates of Delhi were replaced by the Mughals, who brought many changes to the history of India, arts, music, culture and architecture. Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb were famous emperors of the Mughal Empire. And the next is Marathas. While the Mughals ruled the north of India, the great warrior of Maratha ruled the west of India. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the most famous Maratha rulers. Even now people look up to him as an ideal. Okay. And the next, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is the picture of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was also a famous saint of the medieval time. He was the greatest saint of a bhakti movement and promoted Vaishnavism in Bengal. He was a follower of Lord Krishna and Radha and would often preach through these kirtans. Okay, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promoted Vaishnavism in Bengal, and Ramanuj established the Vaishnavism. Okay, so in this chapter we will know about some personality of medieval India and some Mughals empire, and know about Mughals empire, Marathas. Okay, so dear children, please read the chapter carefully and try to remember this personality's name.